Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you my ORAPINE ginger drink, and you're going to love this. Okay, so relax and enjoy this video, and do well to subscribe, like this video, share for me, click on the notification bell, and also leave a comment. Okay, let's get started. So we have oranges, we have pineapples, and also gingers, or ginger. So we are going to peel our pineapple, yes, and then after peeling we are going to boil the pineapple peels, yes. Okay, so slice them and then put everything into our blender, yes. Please like this video, comment for me, click on the notification bell, do well to subscribe. Okay, don't watch the video and just leave. And when you try the recipe, do well to share under the comment section. Okay, don't come into my WhatsApp my WhatsApp inbox or my WhatsApp line and then come and inbox me that, oh, I tried your recipe and it was nice. No. So we are going to peel just the upper part of the orange, and then we are going to squeeze the juice. Yes, we are going to juice it. Okay. Okay, so we'll juice it everything out. Okay, so we are done, and this is it. And so the next thing we are going to do is we are going to slice or chop our ginger. Yes, chop them. Okay, add everything to the blender. So we are done boiling. We are going to pour and then allow it to cool. Let it cool before you use it for the drink. We don't want to cook the fruit, so we are pouring the cooled water on our fruit and ginger, and we are going to blend this. Okay, so we are going to strain it. Yes, okay, so we'll strain it very well. Yes. Please subscribe for me. Okay. Leave a comment. Okay. Share the video. Okay. Okay, so I've just added the orange juice also to it. Yes, I've added the orange juice, and I'm done squeezing it very well. I'm going to add the rest of the water to it. And then okay, so this we are going to discard it, and then this is our juice. I'm going to strain it the second time. You can choose to leave it like that, but I'm straining it the second time. So I'll leave a little in the blender. I poured it into the blender and I'm straining it again. So with this, I'm going to add my honey to it. I'm not using sugar. You can choose to use sugar or any sweetener of your choice. So I'm going to blend it to mix it very well, and then add it back. Okay, so that is it. Okay, so our drink is ready. I'm going to package it and then serve myself some. Yes. So give this ORAPINE ginger drink a try and you are going to love it. Okay. Thanks so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like and share this video, and watch out for a recipe on the pie. Okay. Bye bye.